Hi Chandan bro, how have you been?
I am good. Oh, you still remember me?
What a question. How can I forget you? You were my dad's childhood friend, right? So, where are you staying now? We haven't met you since you moved out to your place.
I'm residing at a rented house in town. When is your dad coming from abroad? It's been so long, right?
He shall come as soon as I return. And he will be here. For good.
Okay, so are you currently working?
Not yet. Just completed my studies. Planning to join in dad's company.
Appu, your mom calling.
Hi mom, this is Appu speaking. Yeah, flight was a bit late. Alright then. Okay. It's been 5 years since I saw mom.
Why you left your mom alone? You should have taken her with you, huh?
Dad tried his level best, but he couldn't convince her. And as you know, she loves to be here than staying abroad.
Oh.
Ah, Chandan bro, let's take this left.
Aren't we go home first?
No, want to meet someone.
Who is that? Your mom is waiting there, right?
He's a friend of mine.
Oh. Is this person more important than mom? Can't you wait to meet this friend? Your mom is more important, right? You may go to your mom first, right?
No, I would like to meet my friend first.
Kids these days, I tell you, for you all, friends are everything, isn't it?
I know you are teasing me, but in my case, it's like that. Even my trip to America was for him. I don't know if you would understand what I'm trying to say.
Why don't you just tell? Let me hear. You got my point?
Appu? Hey Appu! Appu!
Hey Kuttu,
Yes, auntie.
why so early today? Do you have tuition?
Yes, we do. Is he not awake?
But he said there is no tuition today. Hey Appu! Have you received your exam answer sheets?
Yes, we did.
But he says he hasn't. I have no idea what to do with him. Did you get your maths score?
Maths?
No, we haven't got it, have we?
No, we haven't.
Don't scare him and make him tell lie.
No, I was mistaken. We have not received our math score yet.
Alright. Sit, I will get tea.
Hey Duffer, I have told you many times not to come on Sundays.
But we have to attend tuition, right?
Tuition, huh? Can't you just go alone?
But I need your company, my friend.
Go, get lost.
Please come with me, dude. Otherwise, it will be quite boring for me. Please come, dear.
Shut up and get lost.
Huh? Where is he? Left?
Yeah, he left.
Brush before having tea. Aren't you going for the tuition today?
No tuition today, no.
No tuition, isn't it? Let me inform your dad on this.
I'm just starting for the class now. This stupid tuition.
Hey, you came?
Everyone takes your maths notebooks. Those not done with homework, stand up.
You done with the homework?
Yes, I did.
I'm not asking about you. Did I complete it?
Yours also done.
That's the spirit. This is the only reason I let you live.
Appu ko done. Have you guys done?
What? Really?
Really?
My way, please.
Appu, are you coming?
I will. Give me 5 minutes.
Let him go now. Why are you making him wait?
Else he will go straight to my mom.
Dude, I'm leaving. I have work to do.
Wait man, I'm coming.
Can't you just please avoid them?
Hey, don't say like that. He's my mom's foster child. She trusts him more than me.
I know he's your foster child too. You fought with Sabu for him the other day, right?
Yes, just because he's a simpleton, people simply mess with him.
I know you two also quarrel with each other, right?
That's our kind of love. We may have our own problem. But if someone else teases him, I just can't tolerate it. I'll take leave now.
Okay, I think his problem is not having a girlfriend.
Yeah, that's actually true. Let's find a girlfriend for him. Let us do something to cheer him up.
But who will fall for this idiot?
Can you think of
Ah.
someone?
There is one, Preeti from my class.
Oh, I would rather just kill him.
But this is not a serious affair, right? Let us make him engaged.
That's okay, but will it become complex?
Not at all. She's an expert in handling boys.
Dude, I'm leaving.
Okay, I gotta go. Will you talk to her?
No, I can't. You talk to her. I shall give you her contact.
Okay, I shall call you later. Let's go.
Give me a bottle of water and a packet of chips, please. I have to go.
Two glasses of juice, please.
Yes, sir. Then what happened?
After that, I called Preeti and spoke about the entire plan. She was more aberrant than I imagined. Lots of conditions, but I accepted all just for him. I just wanted him to get over his shyness. Okay, I agree. You just make him as a normal guy.
I will, but let me have a word with Manish.
Manesh, who is that? Where is your boyfriend Prakashan?
Prakashan, that was a closed chapter.
What if Manesh doesn't agree?
Don't worry, I shall take care of it. You just handle Kutan.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
What is this, man? You are always on call with her.
Calm down. This call wasn't for me. It was for you.
What call? Stop pulling my legs, dear.
Seriously, man. A girl from our school has a crush on you. She's the one who just called now.
Crush on me? Just stop kidding.
Dear, I'm serious. You know one Preeti from Sneha's class? She's the girl.
Preeti, who is that? Stop lying, man.
Do you know anyone other than me?
I don't need to know anyone else. By the way, who is this girl? Why is she having a crush on me?
Just search for Preeti Vision in Facebook and found out yourself.
In this phone?
Oh, sorry. I'll show you.
This girl? I don't believe this. Now I get it. You are trying to fool me.
Buddy, how can I make you believe? Would you believe if she tells you directly on your face?
Dude, please tell me frankly. Why does she have a crush on me?
Don't get tense, man. We will figure it out. After all, she's approaching you, right? Let's wait and watch.
But still, I can't handle this.
Yes, you can. I'll help you tackle this.
Preeti Vijayan.
Hey man, look.
Huh?
She's coming. They got closer very soon than I ever expected. They started meeting frequently than we did. I couldn't believe the change in him. He started bunking classes. Instead, he started doing small jobs, changed his phone, style and all. He stopped meeting me. Even my mom, who was his godmother. I felt a small gap in our relationship.
Ramesh, 20. Sumesh, 18. Sheena, 23. Faisal, 8. Very irregular to classes. How will you pass exam then? Show your hand. I said show your hand. Appu, 20. Kuttan, 10. What is this, Kuttan? What happened to you? You were the top in the class and now have failed. Heard that you are irregular to class nowadays. What is your problem? Show me your hands. Nitesh, 20. Vinitha, 12.
Wait, I need to talk to you.
I don't have time right now. I'll see you later in the evening, okay?
And so I did meet him. But that too after a week. I realized that things were going out of control. I tried many times to explain, but didn't get a chance.
So things literally fell apart, right?
Yeah, almost. Finally, I met him at school, the day before our send-off party. He came running and tired out with the class. Why are you here this late? Where were you all these days? What's in your hand?
Today is her birthday. I want to meet her and give this.
You are not going anywhere. I need to talk to you. Come with me.
Dear, she will leave now. It's been a week since I saw her. Please, let me go. I'll see you in the evening.
Wait.
Okay,
Wait,
bye.
man. Yeah, tell me. Where? Near the stream. Now, why this late? Okay, I'll be there. Mom, I'll just meet Kuttu and come.
അരകപ്പെണ്ണാളെ അതിരാടും മെഴിയാളെ തമ്പുരാനെത്തിടും മുന്നേ കരിങ്കാരിൻ കോര മറിച്ചാട്ടെ തരകപ്പെണ്ണാളെ കതിരാടും മെഴിയാളെ തമ്പുരാനെത്തിടും മുന്നേ കരിങ്കാരിൻ കോര മറിച്ചാട്ടെ തകതകതാത്തിനന്തകത്തൈതാര തകതിനന്തകത്തൈതാര.
Why are you here this late? What's the issue? What's this? Beer? You stupid! Started consuming this too. Give me that. Oh, celebrating your girlfriend's birthday. You asked me to come to show this nonsense.
If not today, when will I drink? I am so happy today. Now tell me, dear, shouldn't I be happy, huh?
Sorry, dear, I didn't know. Let her go. Just don't bother.
Hey, I'm alright, dear. After all, I'm not the right guy for her. Not just for her, I'm not the right guy for anyone. You have no idea how much I loved her. Everything went in vain.
Come, dear, let's go home.
Hey, I'm not coming. You go. Let me be here for some more time.
It's Mom. Mom's calling. Let's go. I'll drop you later.
You don't worry, dude. No issues, man. I shall walk. Let me get over this. Okay?
Alright then, go home soon.
Okay then. Good night.
Next day morning, I got a call from a classmate.
Hello? Our Kuttu?
Hey, Suresh.
Oh, you came? Kuttu's condition is a little serious. Their vehicle hit him.
How dare? What have you done to my friend?
Hey.
Dear friend, listen to me. It was not our mistake. We could have left him yesterday night itself, right? Believe me, I think he has deliberately jumped. Huh?
Doctor, how is Kuttu? I'm his friend.
Come with me. See, Mr. Appu, there is no threat to Kuttan's life. But,
Sir.
1 minute. Okay, carry on. Thank you, sir. But his spinal cord is badly injured. Maybe he won't be able to walk again. Have you understood? Hey, Appu, relax. Get yourself together. Kuttan needs mental strength at this stage. Listen, Appu, a miracle can happen with proper treatment and care. Let's hope for the best. Go and meet him.
Kuttu?
Huh? Oh, you are here. So, I am still alive?
Oh, you tried to end your life. For what reason, dear? For a silly girl? I can't believe it. Didn't you think of us at all?
I am not a fool to kill myself for a girl.
Then?
You were cheating on me, you bitch!
It's not me. Your dearest friend Appu planned all this. He only asked me to pretend like your girlfriend. If you have any questions, ask him, not me.
She was right. I just wanted you to get rid of your introversion. I never thought it would end up this way. It's my mistake. Forgive me, dear. After that incident, I dedicated my life for him. I would go to school only for exams. My mother took complete care of him. Chandan bro. But everything changed after my exam results. After that, Dad asked me to join him abroad for my higher studies.
Oh,
I tried my best to convince him and stay back. They understood that my care for Kuttu is holding me back. This affected the love they had for Kuttu. And Mom told him this directly. Mom left.
When are you going for America for studies?
America? I'm not going anywhere. How did you know? Did Mom tell you?
Why are you not going? A few people only get chance to go there. You must go.
I can study here also, right?
That's not enough. You should go. If you stay back here for me, I would rather end my life.
What nonsense are you talking? If I go abroad, who will look after you?
Don't ruin your life looking after me. I will do just fine.
Matchbox.
Finally, I decided to go. Left him with my mom. Despite enrolling for a course, studies didn't go well. I used to take time out and call Kuttu every day. Even that became a problem. My dad told Kuttu not to disturb my studies.
oh, and then?
He stopped attending my phone calls. We spoke only when my mom connected him. Eventually, they moved him to a nursing home. There happened a major change in Kuttu's life. From bed, he could get into a wheelchair. It filled me with hope and happiness.
A good improvement, right?
We presented all of Kuttu's medical reports at a hospital in America. We got positive response from the doctors. I called up my mom to share the news. Hi, Mom.
Tell me, my son. It's been a week, right? What the news there?
I was held up, Mom. Hope you're visiting Kuttu regularly. It's been so long since I spoke to him. Will you go tomorrow? Give me a ring when you meet him next. I need to tell him something.
Appu, you're asking only about Kuttu. I'm also alone in this house, my son. Have you ever bothered to ask how I'm doing? I think this life for you all is just futile.
Sorry, Mom. Since I never asked Mom about Kuttu, I was waiting for my course to get over. Meanwhile, I was able to connect to Suresh once. By then, Kuttu was shifted to his house as Vadakancheri. Kuttu wasn't in contact with any one of us. From then, I had no news of him.
Okay. It's your mom calling again.
Mom, we are on our way, okay? Okay, Mom. Here's your phone.
So you never asked your mom about Kuttu?
No. I don't know how I managed the last couple of years without hearing from him at all.
Have we reached? I think this is the place you mentioned.
Even I'm not sure. Just been here only once. Hey, stop!
Appu. Looks like he has shifted to his uncle's home after his mom's death.
His mom? My God, I didn't know.
Do you know his uncle's house?
I don't know the exact location. It's somewhere in Patambi. Let's go and check.
Okay, let's go. Yes, we are on the way. Okay. What did she say?
She doesn't know. He has told me about his aunt. It was because of her they had to rent a house in our hometown. They must have thrown him out of the house. Poor him.
Your mom had called up again. Shall we head home now?
Yeah,
Don't be so disappointed. We shall find him.
I have made all the arrangements to take him to Chennai.
Okay.
I'm the reason for his situation. I should give back to him whatever possible. Let's go then.
Oh, you reached.
Mom?
Dear kid, how have you been? Why are you looking so unkempt? Chandrat, come inside. Let me take the suitcase.
Here it is.
Why are you so late?
Actually, we went to meet Appu's friend.
I thought so. Did you meet him then? You should come here first, right? But for my son, his friend is more important than mom. Hey, I was just kidding you, my kid. Mom will take you to Kuttu. Chandra, have some water. We need to go somewhere. Appu, don't blame him for not connecting with you this long.
Why would I blame? I just want to meet him.
Son, Kuttu?
Hey, Kuttu. Hey, how are you doing? You look so handsome in this beard. Preeti, why is she here?
She was the nurse at the nursing home where Kuttu was admitted. We thought you would get disturbed hearing about her, so didn't inform you.
Hey Appu, please forgive me.
Hey, your happiness is all that I've ever wished for. I wished I should never see you again in my life. But now, I'm really happy. We have to make him walk. I'm with you all. Mom, let's leave.
See you, child. Kuttu, see you soon.
Kuttu, you are the luckiest lover on earth. Now I think you won't need me anymore.
Huh? Hey Appu.
I was just joking. Alright then, my dear mischievous lover. See you tomorrow.